pretty like a girl. Any cat fights choice to tell. See both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. To my left, so cool water. Hit it like I'm underworld. Hide my tattoos in Shibuya. Police in your mother underworld. So guys, we're here. So I'm doing like a quick tour of this room. This is what the room looks like. This bed can legit take like 7 of me. Hell. And then this is the wardrobe. And then let's move to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Well, for a, should I call it a village or a town inside Oyo State? It's not bad actually. So I went to do like a mini shopping. So I got water, I got kilishi, I got Vitamilk, then I got gel. I'm trying to see if I can do something to my hair tomorrow. Then I got cotton wool, about 2 of it, and then chips. So yeah, that's all for tonight, I think. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so I am here at Ogbomosho in Oyo State. I came here for a wedding, my colleague's wedding actually. It was a road trip, it was fun. So first of all, we stopped at Ibadan. So we went to this popular place called Amala Sky. I don't know if you guys have heard of that. We headed down to Ogbomosho. I had fun actually, like seeing the landscape and everything happening around. It was really nice. Anyways, everybody's out. Church service is supposed to start by 11:30 I think, and this is 10 o'clock. I need to start getting ready for the wedding. I think I want to do like a get ready with me for Instagram. I'll show you guys the view of this place. Ooh. Look at it. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. Everywhere is just so quiet and silent and chill and cozy. This can never be Lagos. Lagos will be so rowdy. What? So I'm trying to get my makeup done now. I've already started touching my brows. I'm actually trying to be as fast as I can. I don't even know why I'm vlogging, but so this is the hair I'm going to be wearing. Let me just quickly get my makeup done, and we'll try the wig and see what it looks like. A huge part of me really wish I did like packing gel. It would have been so fine on the outfit I want to wear. It just feels like packing gel is the only thing I do to my hair that actually makes a whole lot of sense. Maybe it's because it looks too good on me. Most times I can't help it. You know, when you find that one hairstyle that makes you look chic all the time, you just find a way to stick to it. I think that's what's happening to me. So somehow I'm always caught on packing gel, especially when I have an event, wedding, whatever. Guys, I need to just do this brows off camera. In fact, I'm going to do my whole makeup off camera, because if I keep trying to do this thing and talk to you guys, I'm going to sleep here. So I'll see you guys when I'm done, okay? So my makeup is halfway done. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. I'm not even sure what next I need to add or what not to add. But an idea just came to my head and I have decided to try it. So instead of wearing this wig, I'm going to use this to do like a packing gel situation. So I sincerely don't know what it's going to look like, and I hope I don't regret it. But let's try and see what's gonna happen. So I'm just going to gel my hair all the way, and then after I'm done, I will just attach the wig. Like I'll use that and wrap my hair at the back. So let's see what that's going to look like. I'm not doing this on a dry hair. I had to wet my hair in the bathroom. So just in case you want to try. Ooh, he's nice. Okay. So I'm going to quickly finish my makeup while I let the hair dry. I think the only thing left is just to apply powder and lip gloss. I don't know why this video is orange. Oh. You guys just forgive. The lighting here is not that great, so I'm just managing it as it comes. Ooh, I look pretty. Okay, so lip gloss next. I think I'm going to use a bit of this for my lips, just to give it a bit of color. No. Okay, it's not so bad actually. This is my favorite lip gloss. Yum yum. Yeah, I like it. I like it. The fact that I'm running late and I'm here looking all pretty is a problem. Looking like gorgeous. Let me charge my phone. So it's time to attach this hair, guys. Watch me transform this baby into something that you won't recognize in a bit. See, it's a wig, like it's a wig, no jokes. But I'm about to try it. I saw my sister do this thing one time and I was amazed. So I think I can do this. I really can do this. So let me quickly wet the hair. I'll be back. It's watercolor, so then I have this. This is head. What they call this thing? I have no idea. Again, I can't remember. But I have two of it, so I'm going to be using that to attach it to the hair. Okay, you guys ready? See, the funny thing is, by the time I'm done with this thing and this hair falls out, I hope it doesn't fall out. So we're going. Please do not fall out. I beg you in the name of God. It's going to be so embarrassing when I get to church and realize that my hair is out. Like, what this should do? Okay. So this is going to be here. Why is it not pulling out? Guys, it's not pulling out! It's not pulling out. Oh. Okay, let's try again. Now I can't find the pattern. I cannot find the pattern. Oh. Wahala. God, please, everyone spoil my wig. Go. One more time, baby. You can do this. Okay, so this goes like this. And here, this also goes like this. Okay. Attaching this thing is going to be a challenge because it has to actually go. Okay, I think I know what to do now. So I'm going to do this. Yeah, I did it. I think I did it. Wrap it one more time. I feel like this thing is going to fall. I don't know. So this is the finished product, guys. Can you guys see? Please. And I'm asking you guys, like, what does it look like? Does it look funny? I don't think it does. Okay, let me go and look at it like the mirror. It's beautiful! Guys, I love it. I love it, and I think it's strong. This is it. Nobody's gonna know. How would they know? How would they know? Hey, so I finally have talent. Oh, I have talent. I used to think I was so lazy when it comes to these things. But right now, I think the whole idea is to just try, make an effort, right? I just hope it doesn't fall out, Sha. If it does, I'll look for a restroom somewhere and try to fix it again. But this is good. So guys, this is my outfit. I'm going to be wearing that with this shoe and carrying this bag, and then my perfume and this. I'm not sure which one would work best, but are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? I think I should do this instead. This is actually like a statement piece. It's funny how I hardly ever wear long earrings. Like outside of these tiny earrings, you can't catch me wearing long earrings. But this was a gift for my birthday last year. My sister got this last year for me as a birthday gift, also for my brother's wedding, because my brother got married last year on my birthday. it was like a 2-in-1 celebration actually. I wish I had started YouTube then. You guys would have seen. It was so beautiful. Like, they called me out to give a toast for the wedding. I had no idea they had a surprise for me. So when I came out, I was so confused because I've never given a toast at a wedding and I didn't even see it coming. I didn't expect it. So when I came out, I just said everything I could, and then I said, cheers to the bride and the groom. And then when I was about to leave, they said, oh, no, 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 hold on. The bride and the groom has something special planned for you. And I'm like, next thing, someone came with a cake, and then everybody in the hall started singing happy birthday. It was so beautiful, guys. Like, that was like a highlight for me. Last year was so amazing. My birthday last year was really amazing. So yeah, so just in case you're planning to get married on the 30th of April, you can just let me know. I don't mind. I will share my dates with you. Nah, this is not working. I don't think this is working. I had a smaller tiny jewelry. I thought I came with it. I do not know where it is. I think I left it in Lagos. Hell, this one. I think this is even more bulky. God, being a woman is an extreme sport. Nah, never. I'm going to wear this. This is a bracelet. Okay, and I also have a statement ring, which I'll just wear here. So yeah, I think this can actually complement for the fact that I don't have any necklace on me. So Look at me. Look at me. Oh my god. You pretty girl. Okay. Hey, I look like a rich auntie. Okay, give it to them. Hey. I think I've done enough of this paparazzi right now. So I'll see you guys when I get to the venue. Bye.
Hey, DJs, kick it. Waste time, oh nah. Me, I will fire bazooka, oh nah. Mr. Money, no, they waste time. Mr. Money, want to ease your mind. Say, baby, don't find no day to shine, unaka. Show why me. Mr. Money, no, they waste time. Mr. Money, want to ease your mind. Hello, you carry back a lot of filo. I'ma take a phone, no go, they ghost you. Ready to pay what 10 kilo.
So this vacation, this mini vacation, or I don't know what to call it, is officially over and it's time to head back to Lagos. It was fun. It was actually fun. This was a chill weekend. I'm glad I took the trip. Right now I'm dreading the journey because I hate road trips. As much as it can be fun and everything, I do not like road trips. Anyways, this was fun. Thank you, Ogbomosho, for having me. So this is me signing out. Until next time, see you.